Hello guys, Silver, Game of Thrones. So what we have today, a new package from UpMax. Here I have new coins and here I have my coins. I will tell you why. So let's start from first, Hey guys, by the way, if you like my channel, please comment, subscribe. I have 30 more customers but very low subscription. You guys don't want to comment, okay? So I don't know, I can make more videos, but I want to see people like it or dislike it, minimum some conversation going on. Thank you very much. So the first coin is South Korea. Yeah, I don't know if you guys don't have these coins, then it may be new for you, but it's like couple of years already on market, the South Korea coins. And from the back side, what I like, they have proof. You see 999 mark, 999 mark. It's like 666 mark, right? Kidding. So 999 mark, you see silver 999, very cool and very good feature. This is 1 million percentage, okay, not 1 million, 100% pure silver, right? The back side is also very cool, as you can see, and this is the Comco, right? What the name? Comco series. Okay, so what it present? Comsco. It's a Comsco. It's a mine of South Korea, limited mintage 33,000. 33,000 and 999 silver. They said it is fourth issue, but I say it fifth issue. I have 4 coins, I'll show you. So what is the top? You see shield of Chiwoo Cheonwang above latent security feature and Comsco logo. This Comsco logo surrounded by date finest denomination of Republic of Korea. Very cool coin. I like it. It's collectible coin, I believe. What I don't like, you see here, it doesn't have all these lines, it's just flat. Very interesting. Usually any coin, will have different design, right? This one is just flat. Okay, so I have 4 more coins. I'll show you. I start collecting from 2017. So the first one was, let's go one by one, Scrofa, Z Sin Scrofa. The same Comsco, backside 999. Then it was another Z Sin Carlos. This is very cool coin. I like it more. You see the Carlos Voyager. Very cool. Backside is the same. Then they have Canis or Kenis, North Korea. And then they have Chiwoo Cheonwang. It's also Chiwoo Cheonwang like 2019, but it's on a horse, a little bit different. I believe every year they make 2 or 3 coins. I'm not sure how many, but this is what we have. The next one, my videos are very short. The next one is Great Britain. I just grabbed 2 more coins. They are so beautiful. I like this design so much. And I just grabbed 2 more coins. Okay, so I will not unload this one because it's the same. This coin is just so beautiful, even this with this ugly face, on the back side, which no one like. But okay, it's my vision. But this is very beautiful. Royal Arms. This is a Great Britain Royal Arms. The horse and the leon and the horse on the back side. It's a beautiful coin, and then going cheap, you know, I don't know what will be collectible or not, but I just like it. I grabbed 2 more. Next one is dolphin. They say abrasion coin, dolphin, but really? I just check them out. I have 2 of them. You see, I have 2 of them. This is one. This is another one. Oh, God bless, they are, you know, packaged nicely. And I don't, oh, sorry. I don't really see any problem with these coins. No, nothing really you can see. Nothing really you can see. Yeah, maybe a little bit. No, I don't see any problem with these coins. Maybe something like here. You see the small milk here. It's nothing. It's really nothing. So it's these collectible coins. They're very collectible coins. I grabbed them like 20 bucks, and they are on eBay. They are going like 40 bucks coins. Okay, so I believe it's a very good value going forward. And next one is Anne Stokes. Anne Stokes. Water dragon. Or dragon. You see the small dragons, they call it water dragon. It's from Dragon series. Anne Stokes. This is the same backside. So I have, this is a 4th version of this coin. Right, so the mintage is very limited, 3,000 coins only, guys. You know, I suggest you grab some of them. That's a very low mintage, and look on this coin, how beautiful on them. This is 1, 2, and 3, and they call it Noble Dragon. Yeah, this one is Noble Dragon. And then the Kindred Spirit, and then the Friend of Fire, Stock Dragons. Very nice. This is the 4th version, okay? The 4th version, the Dragon of Water. Very nice, very cool. Then I also collect silver bars. This is just generic silver bars. I just show you for your presentation. And nothing special about them, but I just collect all possible, you know, 1 ounce silver bars. It's Northwest Territorial Mint. Yeah. And this is another bar, which is Pan American Silver Corporation. You know, Pan American, they basically mine silver. I know this is one of the biggest corporation, which, God bless, they still mine some silver, so it's good for us. So we can talk about silver, right? Other way, there is no silver and nothing to talk. And the last 2, as I said, these are, I just bought a couple of this, you know, Destiny Night. I just bought a couple of these coins because I have. I showed you last time I have these coins, and I bought more because I believe they will cost much more than today. It's a very good value, and especially this kind of coins with a dragon Destiny Night. They're very limited. They just go like hot dogs. Maybe 5 or 10 left on UpMax. So I just grab more because I know they will go next year minimum 100 bucks. Today they cost maybe 40-50 bucks, so it will double in value. So yeah, just go by feeling, and you see this has a very good chances to be sell much more higher. Thank you. Bye bye.